Hi, if you have the desktop version of Mathematica, here's how you submit your homework. So first of all, here's just an example of an assignment. I'd like you to label your homework problems, for example, like problem 16, put it inside the parentheses and asterisks as comments, or if you'd like, you can also do text instead. There's a little plus sign right there. You can click plus, and then plain text, and then you can write like problem 16. So either way is fine. Also put your name on it. You can either do the comment. Oops, let's go back to standard here. Okay, so you can either do like this, write your name like that. Also put the assignment number, for example, section 44, math 151 or whatever. And then when you're ready to save it, click File right there and Save As. First of all, save it as a Mathematica file because you might want to use it later on. But for turning it in, I want you to save it as a PDF. So go to Save As, and then down here, Save as Type, Save as PDF right there. Because then when I'm grading your work on a browser, it's way easier than trying to download and upload every single Mathematica file. And then click Save. And then save it to wherever you're going to save it to. So that's one option. Another option is you can go to File and Print, and then print a PDF, and then click Print. But both ways work fine. And then once it's saved as a PDF, then just upload it so I can grade it. That's all.